In this video, we're making a North Indian classic, Chana Masala, or chickpea curry. This dish is full of flavor, delicious, goes great with rice, or if you're trying to cut back on the carbs, you can try it with my Indian-style cauliflower rice, or my Indian-style fried cabbage. We're doing this recipe as a weeknight recipe, so we're going to be taking a couple of shortcuts. The first shortcut is that we're going to be using canned chickpeas. And then we're also going to be using the pressure cooker to cut down on the cooking time. To give this dish a little bit of depth and extra richness, I'm going to be using 2 black cardamom seeds. The black cardamom offers a great smoky flavor to your dish, really makes you feel like you cooked this over a fire. Really great flavor. I'm also going to be using some tamarind paste to give it a little bit of tartness, and we're just going to soak that in water before we get started. The rest of the ingredients are very simple. We're using 1 bay leaf. I've got an Indian bay leaf here. We've got 2 teaspoons of cumin, half a teaspoon of coriander, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili, a half teaspoon of turmeric, 1 medium tomato, and I'm going to dice that up, 1 chili diced up, 1 red onion diced, and then we're also going to use some diced up ginger and minced garlic. So to get started, we're going to add some oil to our pan. We're going to add the black cardamom and the bay leaves. Going to let that fry for about 1 minute. Then we're going to add in the onion and the diced jalapeno, and we're going to let that fry for about 2 to 3 minutes until the onion becomes translucent, maybe even just slightly brown on the edges. Then we're going to add in the garlic and ginger. We're going to bring in the spices, add in the Kashmiri chili, add in the turmeric, add in the cumin, add in the coriander, and then mix that all up really well. And then we're going to add in the tomatoes and cook that for another 2 to 3 minutes. And you might need to add in a little bit of water if it's starting to burn on the bottom. About 1/4 cup is fine. Finally, we're going to add in the chickpeas. We're using 2 cans here. And I have that tamarind water that we set up. I'm going to toss that in there too. And about 3/4 cup to 1 cup of water. And stir that all up really well. And then we're going to put the lid on and set the pressure cooker to cook on high for 12 minutes. And then after it's pressure cooked, let it slow release for 3 to 4 minutes, and then take the lid off and we can start finalizing our dish. Remove the whole spices, so remove the black cardamom and the bay leaves. Add in some kasuri methi and some cilantro leaves. Mash up some of the chickpeas to kind of thicken up the sauce. Garnish with your fresh ginger pieces. And there you go, a beautiful weeknight chana masala. Hey, not bad.